Hello friends, this is Kamal Singh Chauhan. Welcome back for the next session of mental ability. Today we will discuss the topic ranking and ordering test. Now, what is ranking test? In this type of questions, generally the rank of a person, both from the top or from the bottom or from the left and right, are mentioned, and the total number of person is asked. However, sometimes this question is put in the form of puzzle of interchanging the seats by two person. So let's start with some examples of ranking test first. Before starting the examples, I want to share some useful tips with you people. For example, some points on which we have to remember always. Suppose position of a person from upward, we have to find out. Position of a person from upward or from one end. This we have to find out. So what we should do, just subtract position of that person from another end from the total number of person. So total number of person minus position of that person from another, and then add 1 to it. So now the formula is position of any person from one end is equal to total number of person minus position of that person from another end and plus 1. For example, suppose this is given that position of John in a queue of total 23 person is 19th from left. We know that this position is left position and this position is right position. So this is given that position of John from left between 23 person is 19th. Now we have to find the position of John from right end. So position from right or rank from right is 23 minus 19 plus 1. So 23 minus 19 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Sorry. So position of John from right end is 5. Next formula is position of person from both the ends are given and we have to find the total number of person. Total person in a queue when position of a person from both the ends are given. For example, position of a person from right end is from left end is M. Suppose this is given, as well as position of the same person from right end is N. This is also given. So suppose any person A whose position from left end is M and the position of the same person in that queue from right end is N, and now we have to find the total number of persons. So total number of person is equal to position from left plus position from right and then minus 1. So these are total number of person. For example, position of A in a queue from left end is 18th and position of A in same queue from right end is 19th. Now total number of person in the queue are So according to the formula, total number of person are equal to 19 plus 18 minus 1, which is 37 minus 1 or 36. So in case of when order of any person or rank of any person from both the ends are given, we can easily calculate the total number of person in that queue, as well as if total number of person are given and position of a person from one end is given, then we can also calculate the position of that person from another end. So these are the two questions based on two different formulas. Now take some more example. In a row of girls, Mridula is 18th from right. Mridula is 18th from right. And Sanjana is 18th from left. Sanjana is another girl who is also 18th but from another end, from left end. So this is left hand, this is right hand. If both of them exchange their position, now if Sanjana and Mridula, if both of them exchange their position with each other, then Sanjana become 25th from left hand. So if they exchange their position, Sanjana is 18th from right, new position, and Mridula is become also 18th but from left hand. Now after interchanging the position, Sanjana has become 25th from left hand. So from left, the position of Sanjana has become 25th. Now some questions are based on this information. For example, suppose the first question is the total number of person in that queue. Total number of person in the queue. And the total number of person in the queue are position of, we know that position of Sanjana from left hand is 25th, as well as the position of Mridula, who is at the same position in the row, is 18th from right. So if we compare this position in both the condition, then a person who is in this position is 18th from right and 25th from left hand. So we can easily calculate the total number of person because we are having the rank of this position from both the ends, and the ranks are 18 and 25. So 18 plus 25 is 43 and minus 1. So 43 minus 1 is 42. So the total number of person in that queue are 42. Now my next question is, how many girls are there in the row? Same, the total number of person or the total number of girls in the row are 42. Now next question is, how many girls are there, how many person are there between Sanjana and Mridula? Now because the position of Sanjana from left hand is 25th in new sitting arrangement, and initially the position of Sanjana from left hand is 18th. So the difference of the position of Sanjana in new position and the previous position is 25 minus 18, which is 7. So the total number of person between Sanjana and Mridula in both the arrangement are 25 minus 18 minus 1, which is 7 minus 1, which is 6. Now 6 person are there between Sanjana and Mridula. So this is the answer of the second question, the total number of person between Sanjana and Mridula in both the arrangement. Now the third question based on the same information is, if Mridula after the interchange of the position, if Mridula shifted 7 steps towards left, then how much steps Sanjana would shifted? towards right. So answer is same because both of them are just interchange their positions and the number of person in between are same. So the answer of the third question, that Sanjana will also shifted 7 step towards right. So answer of the third question is 7. So these are the questions based on ranking test.